go ahead and turn off all videos, games, everything of that sort.
Are you laughing at me?
Got the recording up the side. Everybody turn it off. Now keep the laptop open, just turn off the game.
Hey, why you got your feet in the seat for, young man? And why don't you have your mask on? Excuse me, let me get my little nephew. Hey, why you got your feet in the seat for? Huh? Let's go get something clean and see us.
You're supposed to get on YouTube.
No, we're not going on YouTube. Not doing anything. Seth, you're connected to internet, right?
Don't do that.
Yeah, I'm online.
All right. Okay.
Can we get on Roblox something?
I'm gonna pull it up, but you're already on it, so I'll pull it up.
I don't play Roblox.
What?
I'm not Roblox game.
No, you don't play.
What is that?
You're not taking a test?
Huh?
You're not taking a test?
Who?
Yeah, Mr. Jerome, that's my little nephew.
Yeah, we just gotta get them together sometime.
Yeah.
I already know. It's Jerome, by the way.
Oh, Jerome?
Yes, sir. Jerome.
Did I call you Jerome?
You call me Jerome.
Jerome? My fault, man.
It's all good. It's all good.
Forgive me, Jerome.
Oh, I'm on there. Now what are you going to man?
Nothing. Just stay there. Pay attention.
Can you
All
help
right.
me?
You said what?
Here we go.
No, you don't physically need to be on there because I got it on the screen. So, all right. So now it's gonna be a couple weeks before we actually start doing any Roblox development. But I was thinking over the weekend, since majority of y'all are into Roblox and y'all really like Roblox, we're going to do some Roblox development. Hey, Steph, how am I looking on the screen? Can you?
Center. Yeah.
All right, cool. So how many people we got today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome.
You got a girl coming.
You need the rest of them to be here?
All right, whoever's gonna be in this class, whoever's gonna be in this session. Now we only got. Okay. All right. So if y'all remember,
There's none of them.
if y'all okay, we have 9 laptops too.
Well,
Don't do that. Y'all stay in your seats, okay?
he told us don't get on there.
Chrome browser.
He told us don't get on there.
Browser.
The internet
They
browser.
gone. I say say that out loud.
Chrome browser.
You.
The Chrome browser is in. Click on this guy here.
You click on number 1.
Or here, this one.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Hello. What?
I'm hearing noise that what is that? Whatever that is, let's turn that off.
That's you.
Yeah, we need to turn the light. I need you to turn that off.
I did.
Okay. Like, cause it's gonna mess with the microphone if you're playing it. It's gonna make it sound messed up. Roblox Developer.
I'm already on there. You know me?
I got you.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Just like here.
I got him. I just
Okay, I
put
get
both of them.
Roblox.
You want to go to the hub?
Yes.
Oh,
Got it?
there you go. You got it right there.
Okay. And did you open up?
It's class time, don't play no money. Get your feet out of the seat.
He wants to develop.
Okay, come on. You do a little bit too much. I just came and said, get your feet out of the seat. This. Okay.
Roblox.
Stand in the corner over there. Yes, sir? No, not yet. No, it's class time.
All right, is everyone on the Roblox Developer Hub?
Okay.
All right, cool. So,
Put your feet in the seat, okay? Okay? Open your mouth. Yes, sir. Thank you.
so over these last couple of days since we first met, and knowing that y'all want to do Roblox, I decided to look into the Roblox Developer Hub and Roblox Studio. So Roblox Studio, you see up at the upper corner right here, that is what's called an IDE, all right? And an IDE stands for an Integrated Developer Environment. So basically what that means is that's a program that allows you to write Roblox apps, okay? So an IDE is a program that allows you to write other programs. And it comes with all the plugin features and stuff of that nature. So I heard somebody talk about Speedrunner.
Speedrun.
Yeah. All right. So that was developed in Roblox Studio. Somebody made that in the studio and then uploaded it to the game. So so by the end of this year, by the end of December, we're all going to be making a Roblox plugin. And be able to make a Roblox game. What do you say?
What is a plugin?
So a plugin. So you know how the what makes Roblox so cool is that you can have different types of games.
Yeah.
You can like do whatever. So the reason why you're able to do that is because the developer environment allows developers to make what are called plugins. So let's look at this. It says the power of community plugins.
Can we tap on that? Is it next?
No, you don't have to. I got to pull up on the screen, so you don't have to work. You don't got to worry about it. Now you can look at this on your own time, and I suggest that you do. All right. So I'm going to read this as a 4-minute article, and it says, Power of Collaboration with Community Plugins. And this was made by MetaTableCat, who I think is a developer at Roblox. I've always enjoyed the passion of extending applications with additional tooling, whether it supports it or not. I first began experimenting with Roblox plugin API all the way back in 2014. But it wasn't until recently that I began to fully understand the true potential of plugins. If you're looking to customize, it is incredibly easy to add functionality and develop special APIs for Roblox Studio to tailor to your needs. Community-built plugins provide an amazing way to extend Roblox Studio with development features that it may not have had previously. Whether it's adding capability with external editors, more building tools, or different ways to edit animations. Hold on 1 second. Roblox offers a library of plugins that are just one click away. So a plugin is a way for you to extend functionality. So when Roblox was first made, you can only do like a couple of things, and then people started adding new games and new ways to play Roblox. All those different ways, Speedrunner and all those other different ways, those are plugins. Those were made with plugins. So, yeah, what's up?
So by the end of this year, are we gonna have like our own game, and can we get stuff in there for free?
So the short answer is yes. The long answer is, that's going to depend on how you use it to build it, right? So if you remember in the first class, I said that this class, that all of this is centered around software entrepreneurship. So I'm teaching you all not only how to program, but I want y'all to be thinking how you can make money at the same time. So the cool thing with Roblox and Fortnite and all these games is that people be getting paid to like make custom skins, to make new levels. Like you can actually make money from this. And there are kids who are, 14, 15, 16 years old making more money than their parents because they're making Fortnite and Roblox games. So this is so I want y'all to be thinking as time goes on, because the first game we make, the first plugin we make, the first time you do anything is that it's not going to be as good as if the 100th time you do it. Practice makes perfect, right? So hold on 1 second. So, by the end of December, at the end of this year, my goal is so that y'all understand how to make these plugins and how to make these games. Now, then after that, it's up to y'all to practice. Like if you really, this is something that I'm telling you, you can start now, and by the time you're done with high school, you know, you can be set. When I had an interview with Google this morning for a software engineering position. And the first time I interviewed with Google, I was 20 years old. And the person who interviewed me was 17. So he was younger than I was interviewing me. These tech companies like Roblox and all them, they'll hire kids. They actually prefer to hire young people because y'all think, you know, y'all the way that you think as a child is much different than that of an adult. So if you can develop these skills, you know, you're on the right path. Caleb, you have a question? That's your name, right, Caleb? Javon. Who's Caleb?
Yeah. What you know the first game was in Roblox made?
I'm sorry, say what?
You know the first game Roblox made?
You gotta speak up.
The first game Roblox made?
No. I don't. Nah. So that answers what a plugin is. So basically a plugin is just a way for you to extend your functionality of the game so you can add new stuff. Let's do all.
You won't be able to.
So, like I said, Roblox Studio. So everybody click that Learn Roblox Studio button, okay? So, everything that we see here on this let me know when everybody's at the page. When you get to the page, just raise your hand. All right, so one. Good. We need to get her on the webpage. Okay. I can yeah, okay.
You know Roblox is better than us?
Huh?
Other than all of us?
Yep, Roblox. I think Roblox came out in like 2011 or something like that. Yeah.
2016.
2004.
2016.
No, I think that's when it went when it did its live.
It said September 1st. Oh, it was the first game made.
Yeah, I want to say it was like 2010, 2011.
First game was
2006.
Yeah. This is the actual company is really old. It's almost 20 years old.
Roblox.
No, it was born in 2003. 2003. No.
Right here until they give you further instructions.
What grade are you in? I have it first of the year.
All right, everyone.
What did we get it on? I gotta press get. Somebody help me.
We press get started.
No, you don't need to press get started. I just want you to get to that screen where it shows. Yes, that's the right screen. Yep. All right, is everybody's on the page?
Yep.
All right, cool. So, if you look, this is basic, and calm down, no talking. All right, pay attention. So this is basically the syllabus we're gonna be following for Roblox development. What's up?
Computer.
You need a computer? Okay, gotcha. Mr. Sampson's gonna get you set up. Todd, what do you want, Todd? Where do you want her to sit? Because we need to social distance.
Right.
Okay. All right, so this is the syllabus that we're going to be following, okay? Now, in between here, we're going to be doing things like learning syntax and whatnot. But basically every day, and you all have my YouTube, and if you don't, at the end of the class, I'm going to make sure to give you YouTube. Every class is going to be recorded, okay?
That's one day. Not charging.
It's not charging? Okay.
It's on 7.
Is it charging? No.
Why are they charging?
It's not charging. All right, and
It's on 7. It's like 1 minute remaining.
She may have to.
That's what they do now.
That's not moving yet. Oh,
It is charging.
hey, there you go. All right. Is everybody's laptop blue?
yes.
Yours is not. And
$5.
Blue. What do you mean blue?
the charger in the back.
Yeah, Mom.
Blue.
Whoa,
There you go.
right.
And then,
We have the board here. Plan that in a minute. Ready? We're gonna wait for him to finish.
all right.
Can I use the restroom real quick?
Yeah, you can use the restroom.
I need to use it too.
All right, we'll just take it back. Who all got to go back?
Me.
Take it back and break. Go.
This is on
Stop running!
Brandy's account instead of a student account. Let's see if I can get on the computer.
Hey, Todd.
Yes, sir.
This computer says Randy on it instead of student. I don't know, and can't log in.
Get one of these gray ones. Take that one down.
Okay, thank you. All right. I'll get you another computer. One second.
You in the fourth word, right? 6. I'm 1. I'm 6. In fourth word? 6.
Get a brand new computer.
I mean, 10th grade, you get 6th grade. Jalen be in, you can tell, Jalen be in 6th grade. I'd be,
Taylor, did you wash your hands?
that Jordan will be gone.
Look at
Y'all
that.
wash your
Nice
hands.
and shiny.
Get your foot out of this. Okay. You come here. Excuse me. They're siblings. All three of them, they're siblings. So if you needed someplace to sit, you can put her right there because they're all three siblings. They have the same
Yeah,
house.
she's a friend.
Okay, move over there.
Yeah, we can move over there. Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna sit with your sister.
She's over.
then we got Mr. Shirt right here.
Mr. Naya, can I move you back here with your brother? Is she gonna, so you can move that back there?
You can put that on top.
Back here? Yeah, she can actually sit on your head. Jayla? Yeah, get up there. Hey, sorry about that, but I just figured out the difference.
All right, cool. So, while Mr. Sampson helps them set up, we'll go. Is everybody back in the bathroom? All right, everybody sit down.
We got somebody on our test.
Let them you know. I'm gonna get you a new.
So when this gets, when it's done, I'm gonna step back and then make the work. It needs a little bit.
This is a tutorial.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
All right, so we got one. How many people are we missing?
Missing one because he's testing.
All right, so is he not coming back?
I don't know. Let me go ask.
No, it's fine. Does everybody? All right, everybody sit down.
I get what's in it. Excuse me.
What's up?
So who edited your videos?
I do everything myself. All the editing, I do.
I thought he do.
Oh, he's the software engineer. That's actually something I'm looking for. Is somebody to help me with my video editing and all that. I want to have a whole media team.
I need software.
1,400.
Huh?
1,400 right now.
1,400. I'll be your cameraman so you can record you. No, I don't. I need $30 every time I record. I need 1,000. Yes. That's just your go-to right. You don't need to be rich. I need $20,000 if you're a millionaire. You're a billionaire. I need 1,000. I need almost a million. I need half a million. And then the next thing I record, it's gonna go super go home.
I got a dumb
Let's trade this.
All right, cool. All right, everyone, pay attention. We are back. All right. So today we're gonna have everybody. We're actually gonna download Roblox Studio onto all these computers. It's gonna be a pretty big download, and then we're gonna spend the time going over the starter, which is the studio basics. All right. So in the studio basics, we're gonna go over the editor. It's gonna show us like how we do certain things, et cetera, et cetera. And then on Monday, starting Monday, we're gonna start doing basic coding. Now Roblox uses a different language to uses its own language to do the coding. So we're gonna spend these 4 courses basically learning the syntax and ins and outs on how to do these classes, coding classes. All right, so everyone, let's go and
Press Studio Basic. You want to press Studio Basic?
yeah,
The one with the book.
yep. So the Studio Basics, click that.
Okay, I got the Studio Basic. I'm on it.
Or you can just hit get started. You can hit the red get started button.
Which one? You don't know, so just press Studio Basic.
He's getting tested right now.
You ain't that red square.
When you come to the sit down.
All right, hit the red button. Hit the red button. And then hit the introduction to Roblox
Will you
Studio.
press get started?
Yeah, hit the get started and then click introduction to Roblox Studio. That link that says introduction to Roblox Studio,
Sorry about that, man.
the title.
It took me a Studio Basic.
But, yeah, I'm back there.
What do we do?
Sean had to
Just to do. I have to get started with Roblox Studio. Wait, you got lasers?
No, don't play anything.
Click that.
All right, now click that link.
Yeah. You don't want to respond. No, Jason Miles respond.
No, do not play the video. We're not playing the video. All right, so the first thing, everybody pay attention. Look,
Your mom was out there.
all right. Wait, where did these two, where did these 3 go?
Take it into football practice.
Oh, okay. All right,
Yeah, we pay
So-
for that.
everyone, you see where it says starting a new project? If you haven't yet installed Roblox Studio, follow the quick set of instructions here. Click where it says here.
That's where it says here.
Yeah, it says if you haven't yet installed Roblox Studio, follow the quick set of instructions here.
Oh, I'm right there. It says Studio Setup. Is it the plus button? Oh, that. Like that. There is no here. This is the plus. This one. Like that.
You there? So, where it says here.
Look.
All right. So, Roblox Studio is free, and you need Roblox Studio in order to write Roblox apps. Makes sense. So, we're going to download it for Windows, okay? And then, so everybody click on where it says Roblox Studio. It's that first link. Yes, ma'am. Click that.
Is it blue?
Yep.
Or is
It's
it
blue.
light blue?
It's the blue link. Yes, sir.
I need
Yep.
help.
The blue link. It's a Roblox Studio.
Oh, I'm gonna put this one right here.
Yep. You're not clicking on it. No, you're above it. There you go. All right.
It's it right here.
That is it. That is it right there.
Make anything you can.
It should say make anything you can imagine.
So I can just recording right now. So I can get Robux for free?
So here is it. So everybody on the screen says make anything you can imagine. Now click where it says start creating.
I just pressed it on Roblox. Oh,
Yep.
just press
And then it just say check in for Roblox Studio.
download studio.
Download Studio.
Right here.
Open
Roblox studio.
But-
I just opened Roblox and said
Would-
download studio.
And then say okay.
There you go.
Can you help me over here? And well, your mom's here. I know. Wait, what else was it? Test.
One second. Hit open Roblox.
What is that? What is that? I'm wait, that.
Hit open Roblox.
I'm on later.
Download Studio.
Your sweet back again. Put your mask up, okay?
And then open it up.
Where's your brother?
Insert.
Oh, testing, okay.
Let's go ahead and get this one.
So do I press it again? Start it.
No, it's loaded.
Just let it download.
Oh, loading.
So what it's
again.
gonna do, so like Roblox is already installed on here, and you need Roblox in order to build Roblox, obviously. So yeah, so perfect. So you're good. Gonna wait for everybody else to download. It's gonna take a minute. Hit
This
the
is just too easy.
hit the run. All right. So once again, this is what's up? Yep, that's it. You gotta let it install. It's a pretty big file, right? So the rest of this time while it's installing, just basically listen up.
Oh. Mine's gonna take a long time. Oh, I can watch TV. Oh my goodness. Got away. Mine is that. Well, maybe a little bit and then it goes back. Mine is almost done. Is everybody on it?
Yeah, no, yours already had it installed. That's why yours took.
Ooh.
All right, so this is the Roblox Creator, and so basically this is how you make your Roblox game, Roblox levels, Roblox plugins, et cetera. Connects to your Roblox account, so you use your account to test and develop. And once everything is set up, all right. So I'm going to go ahead and play this video. And it's going to describe what we're going to be doing when we're making our first game. So
So we're actually making a game right now?
it's going to be on Monday, but we're going to go over what it is. We don't have enough time to do it right now because everything's still down on
You
everybody.
Monday or Tuesday?
I'm sorry, I keep saying Monday. I keep thinking today's Wednesday. Sorry, Tuesday. I keep it, yeah, my days are going up. What's up?
So basically, on Tuesday, we're just gonna make our own game.
On Tuesday, we're going to be writing our first game, which is going to be a platformer, which is often called an obby, an obstacle course. So this video is going to describe I guess there's no music. All right, so yeah, so this is basically the kind of game we're gonna be making. So the obstacle course, the jump, and interact with you know with stuff.
We're making a copy.
Yep, we're making an obby.
Do we get to play the copy?
Yes.
So what?
After we make it, do we get to play on it?
Yeah, you can play up. Yeah, and we're gonna be uploading all of our code to Did everyone make the GitHub profiles? Yep, we did. All right, make sure
My
that
sister
y'all.
did it.
Make sure that y'all have that by Tuesday, okay? So we can be able to save your code. So basically, we're gonna create a blank thing.
Please, load. Some of these obbies are pretty easy. Yeah, I mean, he might be playing when I'm up controller.
Yeah, so that's something we'll work with later too, working with different inputs. So using the keyboard, using the controller. Does Roblox support VR, like an Oculus?
No.
It does?
Yeah.
It does? Okay, cool. Then I'll bring in, when we get to that part, I'll bring in my VR headset and we can program some VR as well.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
Ow. Come on. What if I do speed?
What you ready?
Wait, I gotta type in.
Hmm?
What's for the instructions?
I'm going to, you don't have a room or something to do.
I got a virtual.
I'm gonna have to bring, this is not for the game development. It's not gonna, yeah. I'm gonna bring my MacBook Pro on Tuesday because I have the HDMI port on there. I use my Mac because I have to download Roblox Studio on there.
Okay.
Right now. You did the wrong test, man, or the wrong math one. You can do it tomorrow, don't worry about it.
Tuesday, Monday?
Yes, Monday, we'll do it Monday. I still gotta get you going.
I'm scratching.
All right. So this for, oh, wow, more people left. What's up? Okay. Oh, cool. Finish downloading. Good. You're ready. What's up? Sign into your Roblox account, but we don't need that right now. I just need you to have it downloaded. You got to download it.
I know Roblox account.
Oh my God. That's fine. You can
I know Roblox.
Well, we'll have to make one. All right. What was I saying? So this first game that we're gonna make, we're really just, it's just making an obstacle course. I guess it's not really technically a game, but it won't require any coding because you can actually make a lot of the game in Roblox Studio just by dragging and dropping. You don't need to actually do any coding. But if you want to add stuff to make it a really good game, you got to do coding. So like I explained last on Tuesday, Roblox uses a language called Lua, Lua. And Lua is a derivative of Python. So it's basically it's very much like Python. I'm pretty sure it's made from Python. I have to double check on that. But the first thing we're going to make, that's also of course the obby. No coding is going to be needed, and then afterwards we're going to start working on scripts and making some gameplay scenarios. So the first thing we're going to do is going to make a disappearing platform. So like the character's going to jump and it's going to disappear, it'll fall through. We're going to do some lava floor. So I activate like lava trap doors, fading traps, and then also doing keeping up with points. So you can do things like multiplayer. What's up? All right, cool. That's where you you have a Roblox account? So you can sign in. But everybody's gonna have to probably sign out something like that. What's up? That's where you need to be. So you can exit that out.
We turn these off?
No, you don't need to turn them off. You don't need to turn them off.
Lamborghini rock thing.
Yep, that's where you need to be right there.
When is the yellow circle lighting up when you go in portrait mode?
Yes.
Right. Can you get a couple more?
Photo?
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay.
We're still loading.
Get a little closer.
And I'm still loading.
Cool.
That's what I typed it in.
All right. So now each of these examples we're going to go through next week, like doing the lava trap door, the fading trap door, and stuff of that nature. Those are only going to be small components, and you're going to be able to use these components to build like larger games. So something that I want you all to think about over the weekend is what type of game you want to make. And what after we do these exercises, and now everybody's going to do these exercises together. After we do these exercises, then we're going to have individual exercises. So I'm going to have you all make a game, and everybody's game needs to be a little bit different. I also don't mind if y'all work together. So if two of y'all or three of y'all want to build a game together, that's fine as well. So when we get to the scoring point section, that's going to we're going to get into like the multiplayer aspect. So y'all building games for people that people can play multiplayer. Roblox has like you can buy like in-app skins and stuff. Like you can like buy levels and stuff like that, right? I mean, I don't play Roblox, so I'm asking y'all.
Have you guys have all played Roblox before, right?
Yeah, like you can buy stuff in Roblox. Like you can like actually buy stuff, right?
Yeah, he has. Yeah, I'm not gonna play around.
Okay. Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to build up to, right? So y'all be able to like build these plugins and stuff that people can pay for, and then you can make money. So does anybody have any questions so far?
No, sir. No, sir.
Awesome.
Yes, you said using the four, you the wrong grade.
All right. Premium payouts. Earn Robux via premium upgrades. I'm assuming Robux is like that the in-game currency that's used. Is like V-Bucks in Fortnite.
Yeah.
All right. Good. All right. Premium payouts allow you to earn Robux based on how engaging your game is. All right. Pay attention to this. Premium player playtime is being used as a proxy measure to determine how much time is spent in your game and calculate payouts based off that. You don't need to do anything to enroll in premium payouts. That happens automatically, and in addition to the earnings from game passes, developer products, etc. So you can earn, as a developer, you earn Robux for how many people play your game in Roblox. So even if you don't earn, you can earn real world money and you can earn Robux. So if you have a plugin that a whole bunch of people are using, you can just earn a whole bunch of Robux so you can buy yourself. So when you were asking about getting free stuff in the game, that's how you do it. The more that people use the game that you built in Roblox, you earn free Robux. In addition to, and you can have paid apps as well. So if you have a paid game, then you earn in like actual dollars, US dollars. So the more engaging your game is for players, and by extension, premium players, the more you earn with premium payouts. So somebody help me out here. So premium player, is that like a subscription on Roblox to be a premium player? Is that like you pay a monthly thing for that? Yeah.
It actually means you bought something and also you just get it for free.
Gotcha. So the more premium players that play your game, the more you the more that you can earn. So in your script, you can actually check to see if a user is a premium player when you're writing your app. And if they are a premium player, you can give them special access. Like they can access a special level if they're a premium player, right? And you want that because the more premium players that are on it, the more money you get paid. But you don't want it to be necessarily just premium player. Because if it's just premium player, then there's a whole bunch of people that you're excluding who aren't premium. So if they're not premium, you can still get, still earn from engagement, but the people who are premium are your target audience. So when you're building your Roblox games, I want you to think about what features of this game that you're making would make a premium player want to play this game, because that's who's going to end up making you the most Robux. Does that make sense? So like, let's say you make like let's say you make like a battle royale type game. Everybody in Roblox can go and fight or whatever. If you're a premium member, you might get a special upgrade on your armor that a non-premium person wouldn't get, right? And that would make people who are premium want to play because they get an extra advantage or whatever. And you can also do things like, I'm pretty sure, I'm gonna have to check, but I'm pretty sure you can do things like, let's stick with the battle royale. Let's say you made a tournament, and the winner of that tournament got 100 Robux, or whatever the nomination Robux is. You can program that in. And so like, if you're winning 100 Robux and you're a premium player, you get the special armor, giving you a better chance to get these Robux. What that'll do is a whole bunch of premium players will want to play because they want to get that Robux, but you're getting money because premium players are joining your game. So you might give out 100 Robux, but might make 1,000. You know what I'm saying? So when you're building these games, you always want to think about, how I can monetize this application. And there's many different ways of monetization. So the one that we're probably most familiar with are ads, right? You see ads on your apps, ads in your games, and then you can usually like pay a subscription or pay a one-time fee and remove the ads. So that's a double paywall. So if you don't pay anything, then you still get paid as a developer from the ads. And if the person pays $1 to get rid of the ads, you still get paid because they paid $1. The other way is in-app purchases. That goes back to Robux. So buying stuff in the app, in the game. And then lastly, we have subscription. So subscriptions like premium players, pay $5 a month, $10 a month, stuff like Netflix, stuff like Amazon Prime. Those are subscription-based models. So when you're writing your Roblox game, you can have different things. So like right here, we're on the monetization tab for the Roblox Developer Hub. Premium payouts. Earn more Robux by engaging premium members. Advertising games and items. Place ads on Roblox for games, items, and some more. So that's the ads that I was talking about. Avatar inspect menu. Explore the inspect menu for avatar outfits, accessories, animations, and more. So that's in-app purchases. So you can make an animation, you can make a sound effect, you can make an outfit for the avatar, and you can sell that on Roblox. Make an avatar clothing, that goes back to what I just said. Developer products and game purchases, create items that can be purchased multiple times, such as currency and ammo. So go back to that battle royale. Like, let's say you made a game of bow and arrow with quiver arrows. It's one Roblox for 10 arrows or something like that. That's an in-app purchase. And if you make the game engaging enough that makes people want to buy that stuff, you can quickly make a lot of money. I don't know, y'all might be too young. Have y'all heard of a game called Flappy Bird? Yeah, so Flappy Bird was made by one guy, and I think he was in the Philippines. And at one point, Flappy Bird was making $30,000 a day just on ads and in-app purchases. So, keep stuff like that in mind. Game passes, one-time purchases. Create items that can be bought only once per player, since it's a permanent power up. So, like, say if you have a potion that makes your HP go up or makes you faster, et cetera, goes back to in-app purchases. Private servers. Now, I want to get into that. All right, enable private game servers for players to purchase. So you don't even have, let's say you don't even play Roblox, but you're a developer and
We gotta feed these kids.
Okay.
Yeah, because they have to eat dinner.
Gotcha.
Right about 5:41.
Gotcha. All right, let me say this last thought and then I'm done. So private servers. So if you are a developer, you can make a server. You can have a public game, you can have a private game and be on a private server. You can make these servers and sell them to gamers, and you can sell to them on a monthly subscription. So we're going to wrap up here. I want y'all to think about when you come back on Tuesday. If you have access to a computer, I want y'all to look at the Roblox Developer Hub over the weekend. I want you just to get familiar with it, and when we come back on Tuesday, we're going to build our first game. All right? Any questions? What's up?
Are we all gonna make it, or are we all just gonna make one?
The first one is going to be a tutorial, so we're going to do it together, and then the next one is where everybody's going to work on it separately. What's up?
I want to make
What is it?
I don't care what kind of game you make.
Okay.
Yeah, you can. I don't care what you make. All right, so it's time to eat, everyone.
No, I'm gonna have to send it to you.
You can go ahead and close the laptops, and I'll see you all Tuesday. No, just close them. It's fine.
I still want to play. I like closing off all the stuff.